Hello, this is CS50. My name is Levan Vachnadze, and today I'm going to present you my final project for Introduction to Programming with Python. This is a financial ledger program which allows users to record incomes, expenses, and view snapshot of their balance. Let's start our program with the command python project.py, and we will be prompted with the starting balance. Let's say it's 1,000. Now we have six options. Let's start with the recording expense. For example, we spent money on gas. It was $50 and expense category is car. Let's view our expense now. I will show on the first option right now, and we can see that all the relevant information. Let's record one more transaction. Let's say it was on oil. Let's say it was $75 and category is car again. Let's record one more transaction. Let's say it was electricity. Electricity. Let's say it was $100 and utilities is our category. Let's view expenses now. We can see all the relevant information. Let me expand the terminal. We can see all the relevant information. Now let's say we want to view what was money spent on inside category of car. We will choose option number 3 again, but now we will choose option number 2 to view spendings on selected category. We have to input the name of the category. Let's say it's a car, and we will see all the relevant information such on what was money spent on inside category of a car. Now let's record some incomes. Let's say we got money from job. Let's say it was $2,000 and we get message that the transaction was recorded and balance has been updated. Let's record one more. Let's say it's from freelancing and we got $1,000 and we got the message that transaction was recorded again and balance has been updated. By choosing number 5, we can just see the balance if we need to. And with input number 6, we are exiting the program. Thank you. This was CS50 and my name is Levan Vachnadze.